Assalamu alaikum students. Can you all hear me? Is my voice clear? Can you all hear me? Give me a reply in the chat box so that we can start the lecture. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Walaikum assalam, Shahroz. Acha, first of all, I want you all to let know that as on from Monday, okay, we are having midterm exams. So I want to ask you people that have you any confusion in the whole midterm examination topics of language? Okay, I'm talking about the English language topics. If you want me to explain any previous topic, so if you can tell me. Okay, otherwise I have taken out tenses topic. Okay, all present, past and future tenses. ठीक है, वो मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने पास स्लाइड्स जो है वो निकाल के रखी हुई फॉर द reinforcement. So if you want me to explain the tenses and take your feedback from that topic, then it's okay. Or if you want me to tell you to explain you the topic by your choice, it's also up to you. Okay, because we have completed so many topics, as you can see here. Yes, here in this file you can see we have already completed all these topics. ठीक है, adjectives and its kind है, adverbs है, application writing, articles, comprehension I have already saved. ठीक है, we have so many topics we have completed. Okay, so you can tell me if you want any topic from your side, from of your own choice, then it's okay. Or otherwise I should explain you the tenses. ओके, टेंसेस ही एक्सप्लेन कर दूं तो देन इट्स आल्सो ओके. अच्छा, okay, fine. So I'm going to tell you or explain you about you can say that it's a reinforcement lecture, okay, about tenses. Yes, all the language things depends upon the tenses basically. ठीक है, so we should revise them. This is the topic, tenses and translation, okay, which I'm going to explain you again. अच्छा, वी हैव टू कंप्लीट प्रेजेंट ऑल टेंसेस, पास्ट ऑल टेंसेस एंड फ्यूचर ऑल टेंसेस टुडे. ठीक है, मैं जो एक्सप्लेनेशन और रिव्यू जो आपको दे रही हूँ, इट्स ऑल अबाउट ऑल द टेंसेस. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक, यू हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट, यू शुड हैव योर पेंसिल्स कॉपीज विद योर सेल्फ सो दैट during the lecture also I will be asking you some questions. Maybe आपको कोई ट्रांसलेशन में उर्दू सेंटेंस दे दूँ, देन यू हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट इनटू इंग्लिश. ठीक है, सो यू शुड बी वेरी अलर्ट विद योर स्टेशनरी, विद योर कॉपीज. एक रफ पेज कोई भी ओपन कर लीजिए. दिस इज नॉट योर क्लास वर्क, ये क्लास वर्क में काम नहीं करवा रही हूँ मैं, नॉट अ फेयर वर्क. You can open any, you can take any rough page also. ठीक है, so that you can write down the sentence over there, to translate it, to convert it into negative, to convert it into affirmative or interrogative, whatever I will be asking to you. ठीक है, so this is our present tense. Yes. Yes, this is our present tense. The verbs that refers to be present time is said to be in a present tense. Okay, whenever we talk about the sentence or verb which is the verb, if it is in present time, then the whole sentence or tense is called present tense. Okay, all the verbs which are represented as a first form of present or present time, okay, these are called the present tenses. Forms of present tenses are present indefinite, which is also called present simple. Okay, present continuous, which is also called present progressive. Okay, I have not written over here, but continuous is also called progressive. Okay, just wait, Aisha Hassan. Okay, maybe it will take 2-3 seconds. ठीक है। देन वी हैव प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड देन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस। ओके, अच्छा, कंटिन्यूस कैन ऑल्सो बी कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस कैन ऑल्सो बी कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव। ओके, कंटिन्यूस को हम प्रोग्रेसिव में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज अबाउट दैट। ओके, इज इट ओके नाउ? अब ठीक है? नाउ यू कैन सी रुमेसा, इज इट ओके नाउ? ओके फाइन, ठीक है। सो कम टू द प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस फर्स्ट। प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस और प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस, ठीक है, बोथ आर सेम। इन दिस टेंस वी टॉक अबाउट आवर हैबिट्स, कस्टम्स एंड रूटीन्स। ओके, whatever we are celebrating, okay, or whatever we do as a habit, or whatever is our routine, okay, we do weekly, daily, hourly, or yearly, monthly. These all are the routines, customs and habits. So when we talk about these things, we call it a present indefinite or present simple tense. Structure is subject plus V1 plus object, and with V1 we use, V1 means verb first form, which is present form. So with V1 in present simple tense we use S or ES with the singular subjects. Okay, we use with the singular subject S or ES with V1 always. Yes. So, for example, I speak the truth. Okay. With he, she, we will use speaks because it's a singular subject, and with they, we will not use s because it's a plural subject. So, he, she speaks the truth. They speak the truth. The teacher speaks the truth. No, the teacher speaks the truth. Okay. Students speak the truth. So, we have to use with singular subject. We will use s or es according to the spelling of the V1. ठीक है, एंड देन विद द प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट वी विल यूज नो एस और एस, सिंपल प्योर V1. ओके, now for example, he drinks tea every morning, the sun rises in the east, I get up at 7 a.m. If I change this I to he gets up at 7 a.m. So we can easily change them according to their subjects. Each tense can be used in different form of the sentences. Okay, we have three main forms of sentences, which is affirmative, simple sentence, or we also call it positive sentence. The negative, which is made by using not, okay, and it is also called negative sentence. Then interrogative sentence, in which we ask questions to the people and we put at the end question mark. For practice exercise, I have written over here two sentences that he drinks tea every morning. Yes. Anamta Rehan, can you give me the negative of this sentence? Anamta Rehan, can you give me the negative of this sentence? He drinks tea every morning. इसका negative बनाएंगी please? Anamta. Beta, we don't have so much time to waste. Okay, if you don't want to give the answer. Yes, Anamta.
Yes, miss.
जी. Yes, Anamta, give me the negative of the sentence.
He does not drink tea every morning.
Very good, shabash. Thank you so much. And then we have Shehroz. Yes, give me the affirmative, interrogative of the sentence.
Does he drink tea every morning?
Very good. And at the end you have to put question mark.
Question mark.
You should say this word that at the end question mark. आप जब तक बोलेंगे नहीं आपको याद नहीं रहेगा. Okay? Yes, Asya.
Yes.
Give me the affirmative of next. They do not leave for school at 7:30. Yes, give me its affirmative.
They leave for school at 7:30 a.m.
Very good. And its interrogative?
Do they leave for school at 7:30 a.m.? Question mark.
Very good. That's what I want. Thank you so much. It means you people are getting what I want. Okay. Yes. Now, come to the translation. Okay. मैं अपने भाई से प्यार करता हूँ. I love my brother. Okay. These are some translation which we have already done. ठीक है, हम ये सब ट्रांसलेशन पहले भी कर चुके हैं, देयर इज नथिंग न्यू, ओके, बट आई वांट you people to give me the reply of some other sentences, okay, so take pencils in your hands, ठीक है, so that you can write the sentence, then convert them into another sentence. Yes, I will not be using these sentences, ठीक है, we will inshallah continue with the present continuous. मैं रोज पौधों को पानी देता हूँ, ओके, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस सेंटेंस, मैं रोज पौधों को पानी देता हूँ या देती हूँ, ओके, यस, ज़ैनब कैन यू गिव मी द आंसर, मैं रोज पौधों को पानी देती हूँ या देता हूँ, हरी अप, अच्छा सुमैया, ओके, सुमैया, यस,
I water the plants daily.
आई,
Water the plants daily.
यस, एंड इट्स नेगेटिव,
I do not water the plants daily.
एंड इट्स इंटेरोगेटिव,
Do I water the plant daily?
yes, very good, शाबाश. अच्छा, now as we are not having so much time और हमने तीनों tenses भी cover करने हैं, so I will be not asking more questions. Now come to present continuous tense. In this tense we talk about the action which is incomplete or still going on, okay, the verb which is still going on and it is not completed yet. Structure is subject plus helping verb. In present continuous tense we use ismr plus v1 ing plus object, okay. In continuous tense we use ing, which is also called fourth form of the verb, which is also called present participle form of the verb, okay. Now example is I am speaking the truth, he she, these are singular subjects, we will be using he she is speaking the truth and they are speaking the truth, ठीक है. With I we use am, with he she or singular subjects we use is, and with plural subject we use are. It is also used for the states, ठीक है. I am a teacher, you are a doctor, he is an engineer. So we also use for with the states कि किसी चीज़ की हालत को बयान करता है. This is also called the continuous tense. No matter कि उसमें कोई वर्क चल रहा है. I am a teacher means कि मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, ठीक है. If you are a doctor, so you said I am a doctor, so it means that you are in the practice of the doctrine, ठीक है. So it means you are in the process of that. So that's why it is also called present continuous tense. These are some examples. He is drinking tea, the sun is rising, I am going to a park, he is speaking truth, I am taking a glass of milk. These all are present continuous tenses examples. Each tense again having three types, okay, affirmative, negative and interrogative. We are going for picnic, we are not going for picnic, are we going for picnic, and then question mark. Ali is not eating mango, is Ali eating mango, Ali is eating mango, okay. Then we have to convert them all. These are some translation, okay. It is the lecture, today's lecture is recorded, okay, ये record भी हो रहा है साथ साथ, so you people can see the recording also, okay. Otherwise we have completed all these translations and we don't have so much time. Present perfect, it is used for an action which is completed, ठीक है, which has been done. For this we use has and have as a helping verb and V3 with has and have. So I have spoken the truth, he she has spoken the truth, they have spoken the truth, okay. I have not spoken the truth, ठीक है. He she has not spoken the truth, they have not spoken the truth. Again when we will be converted into interrogative sentence, then again we have to use have first and then subject at the end and the question mark, ठीक है. For example, we have completed the work, we have not completed the work, have we completed the work, then question mark. Then this is present perfect continuous tense. In this tense we talk about the action which is going on continuously and not completed at this present time, means it was started in the past, okay, and it is still continued and it will not completed, it is not completed yet in the present time, जो पीछे से चला आ रहा है and it is still going on. For example, we have some sentences over here, ठीक है. He has been drinking tea for 15 minutes, कि वो 15 मिनट से टी पिए जा रहा है means we are given the starting time of the work and the work is still going on, it is not yet completed. हमारे पास ending का time given नहीं होता, but the starting time is always given. It's not only continuous tense, it is present perfect continuous tense or past perfect or future perfect according to the tense. It is perfect continuous tense and its starting time is always given. ठीक है, the main thing you have to learn about this is the since and for use. Okay, when you have a particular patent date or date is given to you, it means you have to use since. और जहाँ आपको ड्यूरेशन गिवन होगा, द पीरियड इज गिवन टू यू कि इतनी देर से ये काम हो रहा है, बट वो देर कब, वो टाइम स्टार्ट कब हुआ था, वो काम 6 बजे का टाइम नहीं लिखा हुआ, बट ही इज सेइंग दैट आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर यू फॉर 6 आवर्स. ठीक है, अब 6 आवर्स पहले जो पेटेंट टाइम था, मे बी इट्स 10 o'clock. Okay, and you are only given the duration. If with the passage of time the previous time changes, it means you are given a duration. ठीक है, with the passage of time the duration will also increase. कि मैं 7 घंटों से तुम्हारा वेट कर रहा था, अगले 1 घंटे बाद वो 8 घंटे हो जाएगा. ओके, सो ड्यूरेशन ऑलवेज इंक्रीजेज, बट द पेटेंट टाइम, पर्टिकुलर टाइम नेवर इंक्रीजेज. वो अपनी जगह पर ही रहता है. मंडे विल बी मंडे, 6 o'clock will be 6 o'clock, it will never change. So when you are given duration and with the passage of time, if the time is increasing, so it is duration. And if you are given duration, so you have to use for. और अगर आप not if you are given a patent, a particular day name, year name, okay, 1986, 2018, if it is given to you, then you have to use since, because it will never increase with the passage of time. 2018 will be 2018 always. ठीक है, these are some ट्रांसलेशंस. मैं 1 माह से ये तस्वीर बना रहा हूँ. आई हैव बीन पेंटिंग और आई हैव बीन मेकिंग दिस ड्राइंग. ठीक है, 1 माह से. इट इज़ ड्यूरेशन, इट इज़ नॉट द पेटेंट टाइम. ठीक है, फॉर 1 month. और अगर ये गिवन होता कि मैं जनवरी से ये पेंटिंग बना रहा हूँ या मैं दिसंबर से ये पेंटिंग बना रहा हूँ, तो आई हैव बीन मेकिंग दिस ड्राइंग or painting since January or since December. Okay, when you are given the duration, you will use for. When you are not given duration, you are given a particular month name, date or whatever, so you have to use since at that time. Okay, now this is the present tense. ठीक है, we have done. Now come to the past tense. ठीक है, yes, can you all see the slide? It is again the past tense lecture which we have already done. ठीक है, can you all see this? Okay, yes, actually sometimes it happens कि share नहीं भी हो रही. ठीक है, now come to the past tense. These are the past tenses. The word that refers to past time, it is understood that if we are talking about the past time, जहाँ था, थी, थे, रहा, था, रही, थे. Okay, if you if this type of sentences are given to you, that you have to use past helping verbs, past verb forms. ठीक है, so it is called the work is in past time. Forms of past tense again same: past indefinite, past continuous, which is also called past progressive, past perfect, and past perfect continuous or past perfect progressive. ठीक है, now past indefinite, in this you always use subject plus V2. Whatever is the subject, whether it is singular or plural, you have to use V2. In simple past tense, you have to use second form of the verb plus object. Okay, now the speak will become spoke. I spoke the truth, he, she spoke the truth, they spoke the truth. Okay, you just have to convert V1 into V2 if you are using past tense. These are some examples. The same examples we have done in the present tense. He drinks tea था वहाँ पर. Now he drank tea. Okay, उसने चाय पी. I got up at 7 a.m. We celebrated Independence Day on 14th August. So these are some past tense examples. Again, you have to use these same sentences into negative and interrogative also. He drank tea. अच्छा, in the negative we always use did here. जैसे हम वहाँ do और does use करते हैं. In past tense we always use did, और did के साथ we never use second form of the verb. So what we have to do, we have to make its negative. So we will be using he did not, and drank will become drink. Then the sentence will be completed. Okay, again we have to use did as a helping verb. Did he drink? Whenever we will be using did, so we don't use drinks set first form. ठीक है, हम drink की first form use, sorry, second form use नहीं करेंगे. It will convert it into first form as we are using second form of the helping verb. क्योंकि हम helping verb की second form use कर रहे हैं, so we will not use in the same sentence. You cannot use two second forms. ठीक है, हम कभी भी sentence में in the same sentence you cannot use double second form. So you have to convert the main verb into first form. Okay, now he did not drank नहीं होगा ना रुमेसा, it will become drink. Yes, he did not drink tea. Okay, now these are the translation. Okay, if you find any problem, so you can ask me in the comment also. Past continuous tense, again you have to use ing form in this, but you were using in present is am are. Here you will be using was and were as a past form of the helping verbs. ठीक है, आपने in the continuous tense you cannot use any other form except ing और present participle form. ठीक है, continuous में हम हमेशा ing form ही use करते हैं, but you have to use helping verb second form. Okay, is am are will be converted into was and were. See, I was speaking the truth, she was speaking the truth, they were speaking the truth. Okay, as we have done in present tense के states के लिए भी use किया जाता है the same tense. So you can also he is a doctor को he was a doctor भी कर सकते हैं because वो पहले डॉक्टर था. the state उसकी हालत बयान की जा रही है. I was a teacher, that I was a teacher in the past I was teaching, so I was a teacher. These are some examples, okay, of the same past continuous tense, that he was drinking tea, the sun was rising, they were going to a park, he was speaking. These all are the examples of past continuous tense. These are some practice exercise. We were going for picnic. Okay, when we will be changing into the negative, we will be using we were not going for the picnic. ठीक है, ठीक है, and its interrogative will be were we going for the picnic. Okay, so it will be continued in the same way, that you have to just change the structure and apply that. These are some translations. ठीक है, now come to past perfect tense. This perfect tense is used to show that something had happened before another action in the past. किसी काम के होने से पहले एक काम complete हो चुका है, that something had happened before happening the another action. Okay, in the past it is also be used to show that something had happened before a specific time in the past. ठीक है, for example we have used has have as a perfect present tense helping verb, so we will be converted into it will be converted into had. Has or have की second form या third form you can say. We will change into third form. Okay, had and had, they both are second and third form, so we will convert it into helping verbs. Next third form. Okay, and then v1 will be used over here. Then object, I had spoken the truth, he she had spoken the truth, they had spoken the truth. Okay, now these are some examples, and we can then continuously change into negative and interrogative. We had completed the work, we had not completed the work, had we completed the work, and question mark. ठीक है, in the same manner. Then perfect continuous tense is there. In this perfect continuous tense again we have to use, हम present में in has and have been use किया था, then you have to use over here had been and has been. Okay, in the present we used to use has have plus been. Okay, but in the past perfect continuous tense we will use had been with v1 ing, then object, then since or for the period, and since for the point of time. ठीक है, I had been working in this company for 2 years, he she had been working in this company for 2 years, whatever. See the translation of it. Okay, मैं दोपहर से तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था. Okay, if the starting time will not be given to you, तो फिर तो ये simple continuous tense है. Okay, but if you are given a starting time of that work, कि वो काम कितनी देर पहले start हुआ था. Okay, so you have to be very careful about solving present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. Sorry, present continuous tense or present perfect continuous tense. There is a big difference. Okay, present perfect continuous in which you are given the starting time of the work and it is still continued, and in continuous simple continuous tense you are not given the starting time. ठीक है, you have to be very careful about that. Yes, now then we have the future tense. ठीक है, is it okay for the all? No, I think. You people cannot see. Can you see the future continuous tense slide? Okay है सबके लिए? Future continuous. I am talking about the future continuous slide. No. Yes. I. Just a second. Just a second. I'm again sharing it. Okay. Now. अब ठीक है ना? Yes. Thank you, Asiya. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Now we are having future tense too. See that a tense expressing an action that has not yet happened or a state that does not yet exist means anything which is about the future, जो आने वाले वक्त की बात है. But we have planned something. We are going to have this time in the future, but we are considering it right now. कि मैं कल ये काम करने वाला हूँ. I will be going there. I will perform namaz after 5 minutes. Okay. So these are the sentences, and we have to use them for the future verb, okay, which has not come yet, जो अभी तक time आया नहीं है. In this tense, the action is promised, thought to occur in the future, that we expected, then we expect that work will be done in the future, कि वो काम future में हो जाएगा. We expect, we hope for that. ठीक है. Example, we shall move to another city next week or next month. He will come to New York tomorrow. They will make a phone which has artificial intelligence. Okay, these all are the sentences which we plan to do in the future, or which we about which we are planning or hoping, and we are expecting to be happen in the future time. The structure of the present progressive tense also can be used when an action is promised, arranged, planned to take place in the near future. Okay, whenever we are very sure, 99% sure or 100% we are sure to be happen something in the future, then also we use present progressive tense, which is also called present continuous tense. ठीक है, we are moving to Texas next week. हम in the speaking और writing हम इस वाले tense को भी as a future planning में ले सकते हैं. Okay. The bus is leaving at 6 p.m. जो बहुत 6 p.m. है, it's very near to the 6 p.m. ठीक है, at 5:30 or 5:50. Okay, only 10 minutes are left in 6 p.m. तो हम उस वक्त ये बात कर सकते हैं. We can use this tense also in this future planning. Forms of future, again, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. This is indefinite tense in which we only use will nowadays. Shall be used होता था, but nowadays shall is outdated. Okay, it's now obsolete. It is not used nowadays. So we will be using only will. She will watch television. Okay, for example, the example indicates that the action of watching has not happened yet and is yet to happen in the future. Okay, this time has not come yet and it will be coming in the future. ये she will watch television, कि वो टीवी देखेगी. ठीक है. So these are the future tenses. This is the structure of future tense. That subject के साथ we have to use helping verb, which is will, by which we can express that it is the future tense. ठीक है, हम इस helping verb के through बताते हैं कि we are using this future tense. I will speak the truth. He, she will speak the truth. They will speak the truth. Okay. Then we have some examples about this. These are the same examples which we are continuously using with present tense, with past tense, and now with the future tense. Then we have affirmative, negative, and interrogative. He will drink tea. He will not drink tea. Will he drink tea? Then question mark. Okay, these are the translations. Now continuous tense. This is the tense which is used when an action is promised, thought to be going on at a specific time. Okay, means कल हम इस वक्त एग्जाम दे रहे होंगे और tomorrow we will be taking exams at this time. So what we are planning to do at the same time in future. Okay, so we can use this structure or this sentence, this tense. For this we use will के साथ we always use be. Okay, with will we will be using be to express that whatever we will be doing in the future at the exact specific time. She will be sleeping at around 6 a.m. tomorrow. They will be playing at this time tomorrow. ठीक है. These are again the examples. again we have to use not. अच्छा, the main thing is whenever we are having two helping words, so we should put not in between these two helping words. Okay, हम इन दोनों को split करते हैं and then put not between them. We will not be making the sentence like we will be not going for picnic. No, we will be putting not between these two helping words. इन दोनों helping words को split करेंगे and then put not between them. We will not be going for picnic. ठीक है, will we be going for picnic? Then question mark. Now future perfect tense it is. In this future perfect tense, again perfect के साथ we have to use has, have. Okay, but in future tense we will use will के साथ only have, not has. Okay, only will, have will be used and then third form of the verb according to the perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to demonstrate an action which is promised to be done by a certain time in the future. Okay, it will have done, ये काम कल तक इस वक्त तक हो चुका होगा. I will have completed the test by this time tomorrow. Okay, I will have completed my test by this time tomorrow, कि मैं कल इस वक्त तक अपना टेस्ट कंप्लीट कर चुका होऊंगा. We will be talking about the future, but we are promising that the work must be completed in the future at this time. For this we use will have, subject plus will have, और अगर subject singular है तब भी will have, and then if it is a plural either it is singular or either it is plural, we have to use will have. ठीक है, and B3 plus object. Alex will have submitted the tender by tomorrow, कि कल Alex submit कर चुका होगा. Okay, again these are the examples. These are affirmative, negative and interrogative. How we will use? We will have completed this work by next week. We will not have, again we are using two helping verbs, so we have to put not between them. Okay, we have to put not between them, these two helping verbs. We will not have completed this work by next week, and then will we have completed this work by next week. Okay, and then question mark we have to put, just like here. Okay, will have को split करके I have put not in it, and subject will be coming in between these two in the interrogative sentences. Now future perfect continuous, it's a bit, you cannot say it's a bit difficult, but it is a bit tricky you can say. Okay, जब हम इसको उर्दू में translate करते हैं ना, तो it becomes very unsensible sentences. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है. ठीक है, I will have been writing article on different topics before you come. Okay, first of all we should see the structure. Okay, subject के साथ will have been. Okay, subject के साथ we have to use will have been whether the subject is singular or plural. Okay, हमने will have been ही use करना है, no other than that. Subject either it is singular or plural, we have to use will have been. ठीक है, subject plus will have been, then ing form, obviously it is a continuous tense, perfect के साथ ही but है तो continuous, so we have to use ing, present participle form, then object and since or for. Since is used for the point of time, for is used for the period of time. Okay, so these are the examples. I will have been writing articles on different topics before you come. When we will be converting it into Urdu, ये थोड़ा सा अजीब सा सेंटेंस हो जाता है, which we cannot understand sometime. ठीक है, कि कल मुझे इस वक्त खत लिखते हुए 2 घंटे हो चुके होंगे. So एक तो it's very lengthy. Okay, and it is difficult to understand also sometimes. ठीक है, nobody can easily understand, but if we follow the structure properly and speak in English that I will have been writing articles on different topics, कल मैं इस वक्त तक तुम्हारे आने से पहले इतना लिखता रहा होऊंगा, तो वो it becomes very tricky in Urdu. ठीक है. Now affirmative, negative and interrogative. We will have been searching for half an hour. We will not have been, again we have 3 helping verbs over here, so we will split starting with 2 helping verbs को हम split करेंगे and then put not between them. Okay, we will not have been searching for half an hour. Will we have been searching for half an hour? Then question mark. Again you have to use the same structure with all the sentences to make affirmative, negative and interrogative. Acha, these are only negative and these are only interrogative, not intro-negative. Don't make intro-negative sentence. Intro-negative sentence क्या होते हैं? All those sentences which are interrogative but in negative sense. ठीक है, will I have not been teaching? No, will I have been teaching. आपने सिर्फ negative और सिर्फ interrogative बनाना है. You don't have to mix intro-negative, नहीं बनाना. You don't have to mix negative and interrogative both in a single sentence. ठीक है, so don't get yourself confused. ठीक है, these are the translation. Now this is all about the tenses. अच्छा, somebody was asking me about the direct and indirect. अच्छा, direct indirect we haven't done in midterm. ठीक है, midterm में हमने direct और indirect तो नहीं किया. We started the direct and indirect speeches in our final term. वो final term का topic है. ठीक है, Muhammad Ali was asking me about this. Am I right or wrong? Shehroz can tell me the right thing. That have we started? Have we done in midterm exams the direct and indirect speeches? No, we have started this in the final term, so it will not be coming in your midterm paper. ठीक है? Okay, so it is not the topic of midterm exams, it is the final term topic. So I haven't given you this topic in midterm exam. Okay, so you have to be very careful about reading the instructions. ठीक है? Yes, Shahroz, just a second, Shahroz. Yes, now you can ask.
मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि क्या नाम है जैसे आप जो ग्रामेटिकल चीज़ें जैसी होती हैं उनकी जो आपने प्रेजेंटेशन को चीज़ें आपने देखी, फॉर एग्जांपल से एटेप पैसे वॉइस आपने उसमें बोला कि एटेप में कौन सी मतलब चीज़ें यूज़ की जाती है, कौन सा वर्ब यूज़ करा जाता है, एटेप पैसे के बारे में ज़रा वो बताइए, तो ये सब पेपर में आएगा क्या?
maybe why not? Whatever I have given you, whether it is one word answer और या वो मैंने आपको as a lecture और rules के तौर पे बताया है, whatever. You have to learn that. You have to learn the rules also, structures also. सब चीजें आपको याद होनी चाहिए. Okay? Maybe ऐसा कोई question आ जाए.
ओके मिस, थैंक यू.
Form we can use in passive voice. ठीक है? और कोई sentence लिख कर दे दूँ, then I will ask whether it is active or passive. ठीक है? No limitations.
ओके मिस, थैंक यू.
कोई limitation नहीं है. अच्छा, is there anything which you people want to ask again? Anything? अच्छा, active passive we have already revised yesterday. ठीक है, हमने active passive कल एक topic किया था with the paragraphs, तो it is already revised. ठीक है, tenses आज हमने revise कर लिए हैं. And I don't think so. अच्छा, kinds of pronouns, kinds of adjectives, kinds of adverbs, they are also very important topic. ठीक है, इनको एक दफ़ा please go through कीजिएगा very thoroughly. Okay, because these are the marks gaining points, marks gaining questions होंगे ये, in which if you will be correct, if you will be writing right answer, तो 1 mark is confirmed for you. और अगर आपने उसका आंसर गलत कर दिया तो it means that 0 over there. ठीक है, 1 word answer में you have got the benefit also, as well as sometimes it comes to the losses also. Okay, कभी तो वो हमारे लिए profitable साबित होता है. ठीक है, 1 word answer हो गया, लेकिन वही हमारे लिए with the same time हमारे लिए वो 0 mark भी ले सकता है if we are wrong. ठीक है, so you have to be very careful. Kinds of adjectives, kinds of adverbs, they go through these topics very clearly. Kinds of pronouns also. ठीक है, kinds of nouns also very deeply. They are very deep topics, easy हैं but they have different kinds, तो उसमें confuse मत हो जाइएगा. ठीक है, make sure that you are completing all the topics. स्लाइटली से गो थ्रू ही करना है, बट यू हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल. ऐसा कोई टॉपिक नहीं है जो मैंने छोड़ दिया हो. ठीक है, एवरीथिंग इज कवर्ड इन द पेपर. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी. वी स्टिल हैव 2 minutes. If you people can share something or if you people want to say something, you can also. है ना, we have 2 minutes right now. अच्छा, one thing more I want to tell you, that you have to be very punctual during the exams and very active, alert, plus you have to come with the proper preparation. आपने अपने बैग में वो सारी चीज़ें रखनी हैं which is useful for you. Okay, which will be useful for you during the exams. अपने किसी से sharing नहीं करनी. Okay, you are not allowed to share anything, pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, everything must be with yourself. ओके, एंड रिवीजन के लिए यू विल बी हैविंग टाइम, 5 to 10 minutes होते हैं आपके पास रिवीजन के लिए इन द क्लास ऑल्सो. सो यू कैन टेक बुक्स, कॉपीज विद योर सेल्फ in the timing. Okay, you can revise. Plus you will not be allowed to share anything, markers ho, eraser ho, sharpener, scale mainly, because you have to sometimes make 2 columns also for some questions. ठीक है, or you have to sometimes underline also. So you should have your ruler, your eraser, your pencils, everything must be with yourself, because we will not allow anybody to share anything with anybody. Okay, हम किसी को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे कि वो अपने किसी फ्रेंड से या किसी से भी, हाँ एक्स्ट्रा है इट्स ओके, बट यू कैन नॉट टेक फ्रॉम दी अदर्स, ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ दी केयर, बिकॉज वी आर वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दी SOPs, ठीक है ना, तो यू आर नॉट अलाउड अबाउट दिस। मीन्स टाइम ड्यूरेशन ऑफ पेपर, टाइम ड्यूरेशन ऑफ पेपर मे बी इट्स 2 hours, ठीक है, it's of 2 hours and it will be given to आपके WhatsApp पे जो टाइम टेबल इशू हुआ होगा, आपको जो पोस्ट हुआ होगा, it is all mentioned over there because it's half marks paper, so obviously the timing will also be half, maybe 1.5 or 2 hours paper है आपका, ठीक है। Okay everyone, we should leave now because I have already told you everything. Okay, thank you so much, be very prepared about the papers, we will inshallah meet on Monday. Thank you so much, Allah Hafiz, take